Materials required are scale, pencil, eraser, black gel pen, black sketch pen, protractor, and compass. Step 1 is to draw the circles. The first circle should always be small, so I'm taking the radius as 1 centimeter. And you should draw many circles like this. I drew 8 circles in total. Step 2 is to make divisions for drawing lines. Take a protractor and keep its midpoint at the center of the circle and mark 0, 45, 90, 135 and 180 degrees. Step 3 is to draw the lines. Take a scale and draw the lines at these points vertically. Step 4 is to draw the design. I'm drawing these designs on my own. You can also draw your own designs or take help from the internet. Step 5 is to outline the designs using a black gel pen. After outlining, using an eraser, erase the pencil marks. Step 6 is to use a black sketch pen to color the designs. You can also use a black gel pen to add small details in the design. This is the final result. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.